Hello students, welcome to e-classes of P.N. Amarse High School. We will continue with our chapter number 1. Now our next topic in this chapter is International System of Numeration. In the previous video I have explained you about Indian system of numeration. Now what is International System of Numeration? Values of the places in the International System of Numeration are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, millions, 10 millions and so on. Where 1 million is equals to 1,000 thousands and 1 billion is equals to 1,000 millions. The following place value chart can be used to identify the digit in any place in the international system. Here in the place value chart, in the column of periods, billions, millions, thousands and ones are given, and in the next column places are given. So here in the ones column, ones, tens and hundreds are given, and in the thousands column again ones, tens and hundreds are given, and in the millions column ones, tens and hundred is mentioned, and in the billions column also ones, tens and hundreds are mentioned. I will explain you this with the help of an example. Now students, again I will draw a place value chart to explain you the example. Here the numbers are given is 2764,671. Here, as I have explained you, in the International System of Numeration, it's in the period of ones. 3 places are given, ones, tens and hundreds. So the last 3 digits we will place here. I will write 1 in the ones column, 7 in the tens column and 6 in the hundreds column. Then the period of 1000 is also further divided into 3 places, ones, tens and hundred, that is 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. So I have placed 4 in thousands column, 6 in 10,000s column and 7 in 100,000s column. And then millions period is also divided into 3 places, ones, tens and hundred. Now here this 2 I will write in millions column. So the numbers so formed will be 2,764,671. So students, in this way we will write numbers in the International System of Numeration. Now use of commas in International System of Numeration. As I have explained you earlier, in the Indian System of Numeration, the first comma was placed after hundreds place value. In International System of Numeration also, the first comma we will place after hundreds place value. And in the Indian System of Numeration, the second comma was placed after 2 digits, but in International System of Numeration, the second comma we will place after 3 digits. This is 1, 2 and 3. So here we will place the comma. In this way, after 3 digits, we have to place a comma in International System of Numeration. Our next topic is estimation of the numbers. A reasonable guess of the actual value is called an estimate. A quick rough estimate of the result of number operations can be done by rounding off the numbers is involved. Now what are rules of estimation? First rule is estimating numbers to the nearest tens is done by rounding off numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4 to 0 and the number 6, 7, 8 and 9 to 10. If we have to estimate the number to the nearest 10, then the number 1, 2, 3, 4 will be round off to 0 and the number 6, 7, 8, 9 will be written as 10. Rule number 2. Estimating numbers to the nearest 100 is done by rounding off numbers 1 to 49 to 0 and the numbers 51 to 99 to 100. Now if we have to estimate the numbers to the nearest 100, then the numbers from 1 to 49 will be written as 0 and the numbers from 51 to 99 will be written as 100. Rule number 3. Estimating numbers to the nearest thousand is done by rounding off numbers 1 to 499 to 0 and the numbers 501 to 999 to 1000. So students, if we have to estimate the numbers to the nearest thousand, then we have to round off the number 1 to 499 to 0 and the number 501 to 999 to 1000. Now our last topic of this introductory video is Roman numerals. Roman numeral system is another system used a part of Hindu-Arabic system. The Roman numeral numbers are written in this way, which you have learned in your previous class. Now there are few rules of the system. Now rule number 1. In Roman numerals, a symbol is not repeated more than 3 times, but the symbol V, L and D are never repeated. So students, in Roman numerals, we can't repeat the symbol more than 3 times, but V, L and D symbols cannot be repeated. They can be written only one time. Rule number 2. Roman numerals are read from left and right, and the letters of Roman numerals are arranged from the largest to the smallest. Rule number 3. If a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of greater value, then its value gets added to the value of greater symbol. Example, here this V is the symbol for number 5 and this 1 is the symbol for number 1. So if the smaller value is written towards the right of the greater value, then they are to be added. Means we have to add 5 plus 1, that is 6. So we will write 6 in Roman numerals as in this way. Rule number 4. If a symbol value is written to the left of a symbol of a greater value, its then value is subtracted from the value of the greater symbol. For example, here you can see that this is the symbol with greater value and this is a symbol with smaller value. And if the value, the symbol with the smaller value is written towards the left of the symbol with value of greater number, then these two numbers are to be subtracted. Means we have to subtract 5 from 1. We have to subtract 1 from 5. So the 5 minus 1 is 4. So in this way we have to write 4 in Roman numerals. Rule number 5. The symbol 1 can be subtracted from V and X only. The symbol X can be subtracted from L, M and C only. Students, with this we end our today's video and will continue with our chapter in the next video. Thank you.